Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Yemi back at it again with a story for the ages. What could Jews and black Africans possibly have in common? One group has been through the desert, the other through the Middle Passage. Both have faced centuries of struggle and discrimination. Today we're diving deep into their shared history, so buckle up and let's unpack this together. Let's rewind the clock a bit, yeah? For centuries, Jews and black Africans have faced severe persecution, from the enslavement of Israelites in Egypt to the brutal transatlantic slave trade. This hate often stemmed from the idea that one group is superior. Imagine being forced from your home, your land, everything you've ever known. The expulsion of Jews from Europe, the forced removal of Africans during the transatlantic slave trade, a shared history of displacement and dispossession. Imagine your traditions ripped away, your language is silenced, your very identity under attack. They say justice is blind, but history tells a different story. For Jews and black Africans, the law became a tool of oppression. Think Jim Crow laws in the US, apartheid in South Africa, and the Nuremberg laws in Nazi Germany. Now let's talk about the power of stories, not the good kind though. I'm talking about dangerous narratives, harmful stereotypes used to justify mistreatment of Jews and black Africans. These are lies, plain and simple, designed to dehumanize and divide. Here's a hard truth. Much of the suffering inflicted on Jews and black Africans boils down to one thing: greed. The transatlantic slave trade was a business. For centuries, Jews were barred from professions, forced into money lending, and then scapegoated for economic hardship. Sometimes words aren't enough. Hate often spills into something far more sinister: violence. The history of Jews and black Africans is marked by targeted brutality. Pogroms in Europe, lynchings in America. These weren't isolated incidents. Amidst darkness, there's always light. Jews and black Africans have a proud history of resistance. From the Warsaw Ghetto uprising to anti-apartheid, people have always risen against injustice. Imagine being scattered across the globe, your culture under threat. For Jews and black Africans, maintaining identity was resistance. Through music and oral traditions, they declared, "You can take our land, but not our spirit." The struggle for civil rights and justice is still being written. From Selma to the halls of power, Jews and black Africans lead the fight for equality. It's a reminder that the fight for justice knows no color or creed. The scars of history run deep. The trauma of persecution, discrimination, and violence doesn't just disappear. Recognizing and addressing transgenerational trauma is crucial for communities to heal and move forward. Denying the Holocaust, downplaying the horrors of slavery, these attempts to erase history are dangerous. Acknowledging the truth, however painful, is the first step towards reconciliation and a better future. Imagine facing the double burden of anti-Semitism and racism. This is the reality for black Jews, standing at the intersection of these oppressions. Their experiences highlight the interconnected nature of prejudice and the need for intersectional allyship. In a world where hate is rising, it's crucial to stand together. From Black Lives Matter to fighting anti-Semitism, we're seeing renewed solidarity between these communities. It's a reminder we're stronger together, and by fighting for each other, we fight for ourselves. So there you have it, the stories of Jews and black Africans woven together in a tapestry of struggle and resilience. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. We all have a role in dismantling oppression. By understanding these shared experiences, we can build bridges of empathy and solidarity. Let's honor the past by creating a future of dignity and respect. Stop what you're doing. You're about to discover a connection you never knew existed. Yemi Adesina's shared histories comparing Jewish and African diaspora reveals unexpected links between two enduring communities. From ancient dispersals to modern-day resilience, this book uncovers threads of history, culture, and shared struggle. Join the journey and uncover the deep connections that bind us all. Like, subscribe and share to spread the word. Available now on Amazon UK.